Hey guys, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to launch your very own NFT collection on Camp using Mintpad. And the best part is completely free for creators to use. Let's dive right into it. So at the top right corner of your homepage, you'll see a create button. Go ahead and click that. Next, go ahead and click connect wallet. So Mintpad supports several wallet options here as you can see, but for this example, let's go ahead and use MetaMask. So you'll be prompted to sign a message to confirm your wallet connection. Go ahead and approve that. After connecting your wallet, up here we have several networks to choose from, but for this example, we'll use Camp Network. So now you'll be asked to choose the type of collections you'd like to create. You'll see three options. We have editions, drops, and generative art. For this example, let's go ahead and choose editions. Now let's set up the basics of your NFT collection. So for the project name, we'll go ahead and name it Basecamp. For the token symbol, Mintpad will suggest one for you, but feel free to change it to match your brand. For this example, I want BCP. For the project description, you can write a short summary of your project. It could be your mission or your story. For this example, we'll just write Basecamp is the best NFT. Now, there are three ways to upload your collection. We have HTTP, IPFS, and artwork. For this example, let's go ahead and choose artwork. So after we have uploaded this beautiful NFT, let's go ahead and type in our edition size. So this is the total number of NFTs in your collection. For this example, let's do 999. And of course, we have the creator rewards. This is the total amount that the user has to pay to mint your NFT. For this example, let's go ahead and put 5 camp. Now everything is set. Let's go ahead and click advanced options. So here we have different phases to choose from. We have public, close, pre-sale, end date, drop in end date. But for this example, let's go ahead and choose public. So on the reserve tokens, you can reserve a portion of supply for your team, for giveaways, or for your early supporters. For this example, let's reserve 10 tokens. We also have here on-chain affiliation for commission, on-chain affiliation for discount, and max per wallet. So this setting lets you define how many NFTs each wallet is allowed to mint. For example, setting it to 3 wallet means no one can mint more than 3 from your collection. So to disable this feature, just go ahead and erase this and it will be set to 0. So we also have on-chain description here, which is optional. We have mint NFTs at creation, which is optional. So you can optionally send one or multiple NFTs to the specified addresses during the creation of the collection. So here we have revenue distribution. So this allows you to customize how to distribute the revenue you receive from selling the items in your collection. You can choose as many wallets as desired, but by default, the only wallet listed will be yours with a total amount. We also have the percentage here, which you can set if ever you have a new wallet address here. For this example, we'll just leave it blank. So here we have regular or soulbound collection. If the button is green, then that is regular collection, meaning NFTs can be transferred. If the button is purple, it means it is soulbound collections, meaning NFTs cannot be transferred after minting. For this example, let's set that to green, which is regular collection. Here you can also set the secondary sales or the royalties. For this example, let's set this up to 5% royalties. Here we have reveal metadata. Also here we have predicted collection contract address. So this is the current address we have. If you want to generate a new one, simply click generate new address. And that's it. Once you've filled out all the fields and settings, you'll be ready to launch your NFT collection. So now let's go ahead and deploy this to Camp Network. Let's confirm it to MetaMask. Congratulations, you've successfully deployed your NFT project Basecamp. Let's go ahead and click the project dashboard. So as you can see here, we have a lot going on the dashboard. We have minting page, mint settings, earnings, airdrop, whitelist, task, ownership, and many more. For this example, let's go ahead and go to minting page, and I want to show you this. We have logo image, featured image and banner image. So all of this, guys, will be customizable. And here we also got our collection URL. And let's go ahead and visit our minting page. And that's how you launch your NFT collection on Camp Network using Mintpad. Completely free, no code needed, and built for creators like you. Good luck building, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.